Common mistakes. Part 1. Preposition. Writing and speaking in English as a non-native speaker has its own set of problems. Grammatical errors come in many forms and can easily confuse and obscure meaning. Some common errors are with prepositions, most importantly, subject-verb agreement, tenses, punctuation, spelling, and other parts of speech. Prepositions are tricky, confusing, and significant in sentence construction. Here are 20 English mistakes about wrong prepositions commonly made. John is very careful for his health. John is very careful about his health. We will be glad to get rid from him. We will be glad to get rid of him. Roger aimed on the target. Roger aimed at the target. We are anxious for her health. You are anxious about her health. Head is covered by hair. Head is covered with hair. Everybody is afraid from the ghost. Everybody is afraid of the ghost. Sarah failed from science last year. Sarah failed in science last year. Look to this beautiful piece of art. Look at this beautiful piece of art. Kim was married with a rich man. Kim was married to a rich man. I am very proud for his promotion. I am very proud of his promotion. This pen is similar with mine. This pen is similar to mine. Are you happy from your marks? Are you happy with your marks? They are quite sure for his ability. They are quite sure of his ability. Dogs are suspicious for strangers. Dogs are suspicious of strangers. My friend is good in geography. My friend is good at geography. The king was deprived from his power. The king was deprived of his power. My notebook is different than yours. My book is different from yours. We congratulate you for your achievement. We congratulate you on your achievement. They arrived to the city at night. They arrived at the city at night. I'm interested to playing tennis. I'm interested in playing tennis.